Not all tires are created equal, and when it comes to performance, safety, and fuel economy, your choice matters. So how do you pick the right one? Let's break it down. Fast. All-season tires. All-season tires are built for variety, dry, wet, and light snow. If you live somewhere with mild winters and changing seasons, they'll handle daily driving just fine. Winter tires. Below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, all seasons stiffen. Winter tires don't. They stay flexible, grip icy roads, and stop sooner. If winters are serious where you live, don't skip these. Summer tires. For sharp handling and grip in warm weather, summer tires dominate. But once temps drop, they lose grip fast. All-terrain and mud-terrain tires. Into dirt, gravel, or trails, go all-terrain for mixed use or mud-terrain for extreme off-road. They're tougher, but trade comfort and fuel economy to do it. So, what's right for you? Ask yourself, what's your local climate? How often do you face snow, rain, or heat? Do you stick to pavement or hit dirt roads? Match the tire to your terrain and the season. Quick recap. All season, year-round balance. Winter, cold, snow, and ice. Summer, grip and speed in the heat. All-terrain and mud-terrain. Off-road power. Now you know what fits your road and your ride. Next time you're tire shopping, make it count.